Compare and contrast. Texts. Let's read. Read the stories on the following slides. While you read, think about these questions. How are the stories the same? How are they different? The Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs named Percy, Penny, and Peter. They went to the forest to build their homes. Percy built his house out of straw. Penny built her house out of sticks. Peter built his house out of bricks. One day, a big bad wolf arrived in the forest. He blew down Percy and Penny's houses. Then, he tried to blow down Peter's house. Peter's house was too strong. Peter played a trick on the wolf. The wolf got scared and ran away. He never came back. Walter the Wolf. Once upon a time, there was a wolf named Walter. Everyone was afraid of Walter. No one wanted to be his friend. He was very lonely. One day, he knocked on a little pig's house. The little pig didn't want to be Walter's friend. Walter got mad and blew the house down. Walter went to another pig's house. The same thing happened. Last, he went to a house made of bricks. This little pig didn't want to be his friend either. Walter tried to blow the house down. The house was too strong. Walter was tired now. He went back home. Let's compare and contrast. How are the two stories the same and different? Think about the characters and setting. Beginning, middle, and end. Feelings. Comparing characters. Both. 3 pigs. Wolf. Forest. The wolf blew down 2 houses. The wolf couldn't blow down the brick house. The wolf left. The 3 little pigs. The wolf wanted to eat the 3 little pigs. Walter the Wolf. The wolf wanted to make new friends. The 3 pigs were scared. The 3 pigs were mean. The wolf was mean. The wolf was lonely. Which story did you like better?